In this Coursiify review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that it can turn any keyword into an e-learning platform in seconds, and they're saying it drives 19,000 clicks to it daily, resulting in $684 in daily sales. I'm going to be showing you what this is and of course what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Coursiify, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, imagine if you could own Udemy.com with a push of a button, world's first AI app that uses machine learning to build us a profitable Udemy-like business, then drives 19,575 clicks to it daily, resulting in, now it says $124 in daily sales. So they brought that number down a little bit here. But here's the thing. Don't expect that you're going to buy this and it's automatically going to start sending you 19,000 clicks. If you're getting 19,000 clicks to it daily and you're only making $124, that's really, really bad, by the way. Anyways, it pre-builds it with courses, course title, videos, images, etc. So essentially it will make an e-learning site for you automatically, but just don't, again, like these income shots, I don't believe them whatsoever that you can actually magically start making money. But I believe that you can make done-for-you courses with it. Step 1, you log in. Step 2, you select your keyword. And step 3, you can launch your site. And then they say step 4, profit. Yep, that's it. It sends you traffic. It's not automatically going to start sending you money and stuff like that. It takes time for these things to happen. I just don't want you to think that that's going to happen. Like these right here sends us daily payments like this, $459, $948, $1,300. This is not coming from a site created from this. I guarantee it. Like this right here, this is not from this at all. You can't claim that this is coming from this software like that. Anyways, it builds these sites. It's not some magic money-making machine. That doesn't exist. If it did, I wouldn't be recording this review video right now. I'd be sitting on a beach with a margarita. Anyways, so that's the product. You get all these extra things here, and it looks like there's some kind of an upgrade that you can add on. One thing I want to make sure you know that if you are going to purchase this, make sure you move your mouse away. You can get a discount on it. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you an actual site, the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Sensitive information ahead. Sick of the endless struggle to build your own business empire? I get it. It's a real pain. But imagine if there was someone who could handle it all for you. The coding, designing, marketing, and all the heavy lifting, and let you keep all the profit to yourself. Not just that, what if this someone worked around the clock? No rest, no days off, no vacation? Of course, that's not realistic. No human being will ever do that. But you know who will? AI. Yes, artificial intelligence. You see, we created the world's first AI assistant named Sonia that'll turn any keyword we choose into a full-blown e-learning platform filled with tons of courses, course outline, videos, articles, stunning designs, AI quizzes, FAQs, and everything in between. Not just that, Sonia will even promote your new e-learning platform and generate thousands of targeted clicks for 100% free without you running any kind of ads. Sonia allows us to start a Udemy-like business that generates 6 or 7 figures in pure profit with just a click. Without us creating any websites, without us recording any video or courses, without us designing anything. We don't even have to be experts on the topic to create courses for it. Heck, we can create a new e-learning platform 9 times better than Udemy and fill it with courses about any subject we want, and get our first 20 customers all in the same day. And all that we have to do to accomplish all of that? Just enter our keyword. Our AI assistant, Sonia, will take care of the rest. Even marketing. We don't have to do any kind of marketing or ads and still get dozens of sales every single day. That means we get to keep 100% of the profit. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. We created the world's first AI assistant that'll build you a full-blown e-learning platform, just like Udemy, and fill it with AI-generated courses, then drive thousands of clicks to it. resulting in massive paydays like this for us. And this, without us doing anything. Hey, my name is Saeed, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce you to Coursiify, the only smart AI assistant that leverages machine learning to turn any keyword into e-learning platforms in seconds, in any niche you want, and without any experience. It works for affiliate marketers, CPA markets, e-com store owners, service providers, coaches, consultants, and even anyone who wants to make some money on the side. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Coursiify. Step 1. Log in. Log in to Coursiify cloud-based app. Step 2. Select. Simply enter a keyword. Our AI assistant Sonia will take care of the rest. Step 3. Launch. Click one button and you're done. Coursiify will give you a fully functional e-learning business within seconds. Step 4. Profit. Yep, that's it. Coursiify sends us traffic that converts into sales like this. And there's no hidden monthly fees. Amazing! I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? In simple words, Coursiify is priceless. It's the only app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using Coursiify, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Coursiify for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Coursiify. But that won't last long. While Coursiify is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Coursiify for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get Coursiify and don't make any money. You'll still get extra bonuses for trying it out. Click the button below and get instant access to Coursiify plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
Hello, in this demo, I'll show you how to create your e-learning platform with Coursiify with just 3 steps. Here you go.
Okay, so we're back. So this is an actual site created with the software. It's just like a make money. It looks like they've got some courses they've added on here about like weight loss or something. Let's see if I can even open it. Looks like it's not opening for me. Trying to open it up. Let's see. Facebook ad categories. So for some reason these ones aren't working. Let's see. Let's try another one in the courses that are done here. If this will open up, maybe it's just going a little bit slow, which is possible. It's always nice to actually see this in action. And this is what the backend area is going to look like here. I will give them credit and say that it was loading for me when I was playing around with it. Okay, so it says course not found. Close that one. See if we can find one. So yeah, maybe it's a glitch, but yeah, it's not working so great for me here. But anyways, we can go on to the upgrades here. First upgrade's unlimited version of it, so you get unlimited. Move your mouse away, you get a $120 discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. I'm going back here. Okay, this is loaded for me. So let's open up this one right here, weight loss fast. Let's see if this opens up. I'm gonna give him a chance here. Could be an internet connection thing. Go down here. We'll click on one of these ones and see if it opens up. I'll let that open up. Oh, here we go. Okay, so it opened. So it looks like it was an internet thing. So you can see this is like a little course here. They've got a bunch of tags here for ranking in Google. And looks like this is kind of maybe a blog version of this to try to bring in traffic, which makes sense. That's a great way of bringing in traffic by publishing content on different topics. That's a good way. Now it looks like here's a course, $100. It shows the lessons, the how long the course actually is. Okay, this is nice. I like this. Look, add to cart, so it shows you what you'll learn in it. Buy now. This is cool. Okay, this is not bad. So I like this kind of a thing. This kind of an e-learning platform. That's great, but just don't claim that you're going to be making $1 million with it because it's not going to happen. This is just a tool. Anyways, moving on. The next one here is they'll make it for you. Move your mouse away and get a $200 discount. The next one here is you can automate it for you. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. They've got another one here where they say, want to profit instantly? Here's how to receive 500 to 1,000 in the first 1 hour instead of a week. I don't know how that's going to happen, but move your mouse away and get a $20 discount on it. Next one, traffic. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. Then they've got, you can create unlimited accounts and sell them. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. And the last one is the reseller access. Move your mouse away, excuse me, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Coursiify and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, it's obvious. Don't make big claims like you're going to get all this traffic and make all this money when you don't really have any proof of actually doing it. If you're going to make claims like that, you're going to be clear that whether it's like, is it other people doing it? Is it you doing it? Yeah, be clear. What do I like about it? If you want a software that's going to create courses like this could be something that's right for you. They're going to host it for you. It's going to do it automatically. If that's what you're looking for, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Coursiify review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.